Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna speak about the polygons, which is here behind the star. So I'm gonna go directly and select it. Now I would press here and then I will go up and press the polygon and I will draw one polygon. So I'm gonna select it and drag it down. You see the polygon have 5 heads. I will select it. I will double click on it, first select it, and then if I want to move it a little, okay. Now it has 5 heads. We can increase the head. We need to double click on it and then increase the corners. You can see we can increase it or decrease it. We have these options, and we will use the rounded and see the forms that it can make. Now if we make the if we press on the minus, it can go up to 10,000. I'm gonna show you. The minus will give you all these shapes inside the polygon, from inside. And if we go to press on the plus, it will do the shapes starting from the outside. Okay, so out of a polygon, see how many different things we can do just using the rounded option. I'm gonna select it and draw many polygons. So I will go to the maximum shape that it gives, and then I will decrease a little the size and show you the options that we can go for. So I'm gonna draw another polygon. It will create the same shape of our last polygon. Okay, so you can see many polygons that are altered, and if we want to connect them together, as one piece, we can do so. This is just an option for us. We can do so by first selecting them all, and then we go to path, and then union. So I'm gonna undo it, and then because we need first to have them connected, and then select them all, go to path and union. We see they have become one shape, one total, as one object, and whatever is inside is removed. Now we can also go to path, or before going there, let me show you. Let's say if we put different object one on top of the other. Now if we want the one that is below to go on top, you see here we press this one, it went on top. If you want it to go one level down, this is one level down, so it goes in between. It goes back all the way down. It goes back all the way down. So these are options we can use them, and we can also go to path and create the difference. It will cut our last option. All the options before it will remove it from the picture. I'm gonna undo. This is the option of undo, and this is the option of redo. Now if we want to change the borders thickness, if we see here, the thickness is more than the first drawing. So we go to object, and then go to fill and stroke. So I'm gonna remove it here so we can see it. Go to fill and stroke, and I will reduce the thickness of the borders here as well. I'm gonna reduce the thickness. Now if I want to change the color, I go to stroke paint, and let's say I want it yellow, or I want it green. I can choose all these options. I want it red, I want it blue. I can choose all the options that are here. And if one I want to make it a blur, so if I want to give the focus on one object and not all the objects, so I'm gonna blur one, blur the second, and the third one I will keep it as is, and I will make it on top, to go on top. So I can increase, let's say I'm gonna if I want to duplicate, I will copy, paste, so this is another one here. This one I will copy, paste, and I will bring back this option on top again. Okay, so I will reduce a little just to give it some different shapes. I will reduce the rounded, so we can create the shapes that we want, and then I will select it, make it a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna show you different shapes what we can do. It started as a polygon, now it is everything else other than a polygon. And basically that's it. Out of a polygon, many different shapes we can make. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. My next video will be create 3D boxes, how we can create 3D boxes, as well as you can watch other videos I have made on the square, on the circle, and on the star. Take care and see you soon.